If your debit card is declined on PayPal, there can be several reasons for this. Here's a breakdown of the most common causes and how to resolve them. Insufficient funds. Ensure that your debit card has enough available balance to cover the transaction. If there are insufficient funds, the payment will be declined. Incorrect card details. Double check that you have entered the correct card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address linked to your card. Even minor errors in these details can cause a decline. Card expired. If your debit card has expired, PayPal will decline the payment. Check the expiration date and ensure the card is valid. Payment security settings. PayPal may block transactions for security reasons, such as suspected fraud or unusual activity on your account. Check your PayPal account for any security alerts or notifications. Bank restrictions. Your bank may have imposed restrictions or security holds on your card. Contact your bank to ensure that they are allowing online payments and that there are no blocks on your card. Card not supported. Some debit cards, especially prepaid cards, may not be supported by PayPal. Ensure your card is a Visa or MasterCard linked to your bank account. Network or processing issues. Sometimes, PayPal's payment processing system or the card network may experience temporary issues. Wait a bit and try again later.